Hello, welcome once again to my channel. In this video I share with you how I prepare garden egg leaf soup, Anyara leaf soup, the blood tonic vegetable soup. Keep watching and let's dive into it, everyone. So here are my ingredients. I have 2 dry catfish, snail, kpomo, and stockfish and water leaf. So to cook this soup, I'll place a pot on fire and then add my stockfish head, kpomo, snail, my dry already washed catfish off camera, and then next I will add my freshly chopped onions. Keep watching, everyone. We are making Anyara leaves vegetable soup, blood tonic I call it. So I just added my ½ teaspoon of dry pepper and then 1 teaspoon of seasoning to taste, 1 teaspoon of salt to taste. So because this is not meat, I will be adding 1 cup of water and allow this to cook on a medium flame for 25 minutes. Do this according to the features of your gas. Keep watching, everyone. Let's make this blood tonic vegetable soup together. This soup is very rich. We all know Anyara leaf is rich. And keep watching. Let me show you what garden eggplant leaf or Anyara leaves looks like. So why this is on fire, here is Anyara leaf plant. I'm showing you so you know what to buy from the market. So this is what it looks like. This very one does not have fruit yet, so I'll be cutting this off camera, but keep watching because we are to wash it. So after plucking the quantity I want, here I will transfer it into a clean pot and add water, then add 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 to 1 tablespoon of salt to wash it. The reason I add salt is to allow any worm, green insects to float, so I see it, so I don't cut it with the veggies. So I'll be cutting this off camera. You cut it the same way you cut your ugu leaf. Next, in my pot I just added my already chopped water leaf off camera. Then I added blended crayfish, 2 tablespoons full, and then 65 ml of palm oil, and allow to cook for 5 minutes. After that, I add my freshly chopped garden egg leaf. Everyone, you see how it is chopped very fine. And then next I will add my pumpkin leaf. So these two together is indeed nutritious. So this soup is filled with vitamins. I did not use any beef. You can add if you want to. It is optional. And I added a little oil. You can add more. It is optional. So our soup is ready so fast but rich in nutrients. It can be eaten with any swallow of your choice. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and comment and share my video. Stay safe, stay connected, and don't forget to see the description box. See you in the next video, and bye for now.